Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to cover the Oster rice and grain cooker. Alright, the Oster rice and grain cooker, 6-cup cooker. I'm not 100% how to pronounce that. I don't know if it's Oster or Oster. Let me know in the comments below. During this video I might call it both ways, so just to avoid confusion, I want to get that out the way. I'm pretty sure it's Oster. I'm going to keep this video quick, easy, and straight to the point. I picked this up at Target for $24.99. I haven't seen it on Amazon. I've seen Black & Decker and Aroma. I didn't see the Oster brand, so I'm not sure if you could get it on Amazon. But in Target, I'm sure Walmart has it for a similar price. And that price is mid-March 2024. That's the time of recording price. So real quickly, I'm just going to show you guys what it comes with, and then we're going to make a one-pot meal. I'm going to make 2 cups of rice. I have some boneless chicken thighs marinating in teriyaki in the fridge, and we'll just throw in some garlic, a little chicken broth to flavor the rice just a little bit, and some asparagus. It comes with this measuring cup, and this is what you're going to want to use to measure the rice, and the rice only. Don't use any standard US measuring cups or any other measuring cup you might have. Always use this, because if you don't use this, you're not going to get the results you want. It also comes with this little serving paddle. And what I love about this rice cooker, it has a steaming tray. And this is a big plus for me. This allows you to make a one-pot meal. Because as the rice cooks below, the steam will cook the food above. And the non-stick bowl. And this, they say it's diamond force non-stick coating. So I'm not sure if that's Teflon or not. I don't think it's Teflon. Just show inside the cooker real quickly. That's the heating element. Almost forgot to show this. Very important. That's the water level indicator. That's what you're going to use to measure the water. So in this instance, we're going to use 2 cups of rice, and we're going to fill it up to that 2-cup level line. I don't know how well it's coming out on the video. I should have done a better job. Maybe they should have made it like white. So I'm going to measure 2 cups of rice. Just regular long grain rice. 1, and that's going to be the second one. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it. Now I know some folks say, oh, you shouldn't rinse it. You're rinsing away all the nutrients. They enrich it with nutrients. True. But if you don't rinse it, at least I found in my experience that you get a starchy mess all over the place. So it does help to rinse it to avoid that. Okay, I went ahead and rinsed it. I'm going to put in some chicken broth. I mean, you could use water, but this gives it a little bit more flavor. I'm going to fill it right up to the 2-cup level line. Once again, you can't really see it too well. During testing, it came out a little overcooked. So I'm just going to go a little under it. That should be enough. That should be good. 2 cloves of garlic. Some added flavor. I mean, I've made this before and it comes out great. Matter of fact, my first video on this channel, I did something similar. Sorry about that. Just wanted to get a better view. Here we go. Now, a word of caution. When you do this, use thin strips. Sorry if my hand gets in the way. The last thing you want to do is use whole pieces of chicken. Because this cooks for approximately 30 minutes. And that's enough time to cook this. But bone-in chicken, or any thick pieces of chicken, I would avoid, because it might not cook all the way through. So if you do this, I'm going to pour this on top because that's going to add flavor to the rice. Just use thin strips of chicken. Put the cover on top, like so. Okay, so when you plug it in, it automatically goes into the keep warm mode. And to start, you just simply press down on this lever. Once again, it's going to take approximately 30 minutes to complete, at least the 2 cups. When we're approximately 20 minutes in, that's when I'm going to put the asparagus on top. And the remaining 10 minutes should be more than enough time to cook that. So I'll press this down, and I'm going to time it. All right, we're getting close to 20 minutes. I'm gonna throw the asparagus. I'm gonna throw this on top really quickly because I don't want to lose any cooking time. Okay, it just stopped. Exactly at 30 minutes. Like 30:07 by the time I turned the camera on. I'm gonna let it sit in the keep warm mode for a couple of minutes and then we'll see the result. All right, let's see. Looks good. Let's see the rice. I must say, this really does smell good. There's the rice. A little overcooked. I mean, you know, you saw me. I filled it up to the 2-cup water level line. A little less. I mean, I guess that's acceptable. I like sticky rice. I'll have to show with the steam. You see that crust? I happen to like that. It's full of flavor, a little crunchy. I know some rice cookers, it really does, like, it really burns the bottom of the rice, but this one, it's not so bad. Some people like it, some people don't. I just want to make mention of that. It also dries out pretty quickly. I mean, I'm setting up the shots, so that's why it might look a little dry, but let me show the chicken. Show the thick piece. It's well cooked. Let's see. Yeah, that's great. I don't want to be chewing in you guys' ears. I mean, this is my dinner tonight. It smells fantastic. I'm hungry. This is probably going to be the video. The asparagus. Very good. Very good. Like I said, it doesn't look great. I mean, you know, it is what it is. That's how it comes out. I'm going to keep it real on this channel. But it's delicious. It's well cooked. The rice is cooked good, as you saw. A little overcooked, but I guess that's acceptable. I mean, for me it is. And that's going to be the video. I'm going to end it here. I thank you for watching. I hope it was interesting. I hope it was helpful for anyone who's looking to get this rice cooker or just looking for a quick and easy rice cooker meal. Please like the video. Please subscribe. Do all that good stuff. And I will see you in my next one.